Second example, solve the system of linear inequation. Two inequations are given here. X plus 2y less than 10, 2x plus y less than 8. So these two inequations are given or constraints are given here. Straight line, convert these into straight lines. First straight line, x plus 2y equals to 10, 2x plus y equals to 8. This is line AB and this is line CD. Similarly, in both x is there, in both y is there. So what you have to do, one time you will put x is equals to 0 in 1 and 2. I will put 0, 0 here. So it is giving you y 5. Put 0 here. It is giving you y 8. So your A point is 0, 5. That means it will be on y-axis, and C point is 0, 8. Now put y equals to 0 in 1 and 2. When you will put 0, then you will get x 10, and here y x, if you will put y 0 here, and then you will get x 4. So now 4 points you got. These 2 points are of first line and these 2 points are of second line. Now you know very well, whenever two lines are there, in 10th class you have studied this concept. Whenever two lines are there, then they can be intersecting lines, they can be coincident lines, and they can be parallel lines. So we don't know what these two lines are. These two lines can be parallel, intersecting, or coincident. So how to check? You can check that point of intersection if they are intersecting by using any method: elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. Okay, these three methods you have studied in 10th class. So I am going to use elimination method here. So how to use? I have equated this is x, this is 2x. What I have done, I have multiplied 2 by the equation 1. So this is 2x, this will be 4y, and this will be 20. I have written here. This is third equation, this is the second equation. Now subtract 2 from 3. Subtract 2 from 3. So I have subtracted. As I have subtracted, this has cut, and 4 minus 1 is 3, and 20 minus 8 is 12. Now y is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4. Now you can put y equals to 4 in 1. When I have put it in first equation, then I got x is equals to 2. So my intersected point is 2, 4, and I have given it a name E. Now you can see on the graph, your first line, very first line, that is AB line. Your AB line is x plus 2y is equals to 10, 0, 5, and 10, 0. This is which one? This which is going through these points, dark points. Okay, this is your line. And second line is 2x plus y equals to 8. This is your second line. C point is 0, 8, and D point is 8, 4, 0. Now you can see these two lines are intersecting at one point. This point we have found here, 2, 4. 2, 4. If it can be easy to find it on a graph also. If you can see with the scale, keep your scale here. This is exactly 2 and this is exactly 4. So this is your point of intersection. Okay, like this you can find, and by method you have to find, because if any mistake and sometimes some point difference is there, so that's why it's better if you will find by any method like elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. And now they are saying in your constraints this is less than equals to 10 and this is less than equals to 8. So you can see this line is less than equals to 10. That means this whole portion will come. But this line is saying this whole portion will come. But their common portion is this only. So which will be their common portion that we will shade? Fine. Which will be the common portion of the both lines that we will shade. So these are the two examples. See these two examples, do it on your notebook and write the definitions also on your notebook. And I will give you exercise 12.A for your homework that you have to practice. If any doubt is there, then you can ask me anytime. Thank you.